purification involves several steps to ensure that water is clean, safe, and free from contaminants. Here's an overview of the key steps in the process. Screening. This process is where chemicals called coagulants like alum are added to the water, causing small particles and impurities to clump together into larger particles called flocks. Coagulation and flocculation. The water flows into large tanks where the flocks formed in the coagulation process settle to the bottom due to gravity. This process removes a significant portion of the suspended solids from the water. Sedimentation. The water flows into large tanks where the flocks formed in the coagulation process settle to the bottom due to gravity. This process removes a significant portion of the suspended solids from the water. Filtration. This water passes through filters made of layers of sand, gravel, and sometimes activated carbon. These filters trap smaller particles that didn't settle during sedimentation. Disinfection. A disinfectant, commonly chlorine or chloramine, is added to the water to kill any remaining bacteria, viruses, and protozoa. This step ensures that the water is safe to drink. pH adjustment. Chemicals such as lime or sodium hydroxide may be added to adjust the pH of the water, making it more neutral and less likely to corrode pipes in the distribution system. Storage and distribution. The treated water is stored in tanks or reservoirs until it is needed. It is then pumped through a network of pipes to homes, water bottles, businesses, and other facilities. In conclusion, each step in the water purification process plays a crucial role in transforming raw water into clean and safe drinking water. From removing large debris to killing harmful microorganisms, these processes ensure that the water we consume meets health and safety standards. Thank you for watching. Remember to like, share, and subscribe. God bless.